given question is asked in GATE CSE 2012 for 1 mark. Okay. So there is a character variable in char and having value a. Okay. So when we go in switch statement, this in char variable is passed and here case is checked. So because this in char variable have value a, so this case will be executed and printf. So because of this, this choice A will be printed. But they haven't given any break statement. So we will go further also. So from here, each case in each case, whatever the statements are given will be executed. So here choice B also executed. In this B, they haven't given any break statement. So we will go further also. And at last, this default, which is no choice, also will be printed. Okay. So what will be the output? Output will be choice A, choice B, and no choice. Choice A, choice B, and no choice. So our correct option is option C. Okay. So there is nothing but a small twist, and that was they haven't given any break statement, and because of that, every statement is executed from where we are landing. Okay. Suppose we were landed as if here in char value will be B, then B may have landed up to this case B. Then in that case, output would be choice B and no choice. And as per our given question, our correct option is option C. Okay. I hope you got the answer. Thank you.